We are at Adelphi. We have another project we're doing here. We're going to be building a waterfall setup into their existing reflecting pond. So keep watching. Here's our work area. We're going to be building a pondless waterfall on the edge of this pond that the school has, and so we're gonna dig out everything in here and bring this grade up and build the pondless waterfall. This is the library, and this is our work area. This is an area we can clear out. This is our path. And this is the front. All the stuff right through here, we can dig this out, just put it to the side over there. So then when we dig and dump dirt, we come right in here. Probably need to just move that stuff out of the way. We can move it over there out of our way so it's not somewhere where we have to be. So dump truck can pull right into there and dump back in there. Probably dump behind the crepe marron stuff, and then have the skid steer here already, so when he goes back for more dirt, we can just bring the dirt around. Guys dropped off some material. Machinery's already here, dirt's already here. I'm gonna get a look at the site. I'm gonna get this stuff laid out, figure out how our space will work. We're gonna get this built, and we're gonna get stuff going today. All right, end of the first day. Progress is made. We will be back here in the morning, but we got our shelves and levels all cut in here. We've got a couple of the boulders now set. We've got the first little spill in here started. We got get some boulders in this front area, which will get done in the morning, and we will get a lot of those boulders all set tomorrow. gotten this pretty well done. We've got the lower area just about complete. We have our middle shelf just about complete, and we're up to our final spill back up in there where he's working on it. But thing is coming along, looking great. We're gonna get this probably close to finish tomorrow, depending who we got. But looking really good. You know, we've got multiple shelves and drop, and the whole thing is to have a viewing spot back here so that you see this bottom drop. Then you got that big drop over there, and then we have another one that's gonna drop and then twist and turn and come back. So kind of coming along exactly how we're looking. Hope you're all having a great one. Talk to you all soon.